Hello and welcome back to your English Conversation podcast.
We're really happy you're here today.
This episode is designed to help you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
So please don't worry about being perfect. Just speak with us, one sentence at a time.
Today, we're going to practice a very useful real-life skill.
We're going to practice asking for directions in English.
Maybe you have felt nervous before when you wanted to ask for help.
Maybe you wanted to ask for directions, but you did not know what to say.
That is very normal.
Many English learners feel this way.
The good news is, you do not need perfect English.
You only need a few simple phrases and a little practice.
In this episode, we will go slowly.
We will practice together.
We will repeat useful sentences many times.
And we will help you feel calm and confident.
So if you sometimes feel shy when speaking English, stay with us.
You are in the right place.
Take a deep breath.
You are doing great already.
Let's begin. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ethan.
Today's topic is asking for directions.
This is one of the most useful speaking skills in everyday life.
You may need it in a city,
On a trip,
near a train station,
at a bus stop,
in a shopping area.
or near your hotel.
Sometimes you need to find a cafe.
Sometimes you need to find a station.
Sometimes you need to find a bank, a bookstore, or a museum.
In those moments, simple English is very powerful.
You do not need long sentences.
You do not need difficult words.
You just need clear and useful English.
That is what we will practice today.
In this episode, you will hear easy questions.
You will hear easy answers,
You will listen to real conversation.
and you will repeat with us step by step.
First, we will help you understand the key phrases.
Then we will practice them slowly.
After that, we will use them in a real conversation.
And later, we will repeat them again in a more natural way.
This kind of repetition helps you feel more confident.
It also helps your English sound smoother and more natural.
Our goal today is simple.
We want to help you ask for directions clearly.
We also want to help you understand basic directions easily.
That means you can use English in real life with more confidence.
Here are some key phrases you will hear today.
Excuse me, how do I get to?
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn right.
It's on your left.
It's not far from here,
These are short phrases,
but they are very useful.
and when you repeat them many times, they become easier to remember.
So wherever you are right now, take this time to practice with us.
If you can, say the sentences out loud.
If you need more time, that is okay.
Take your time.
This is good practice.
You are learning step by step,
You are improving with every sentence.
and we are here with you.
All right.
Let's start with the most useful phrases.
Listen first.
Then speak with us.
Let's go. Now, let's begin with the key phrases for today.
First, just listen and relax.
Then, you can repeat with us.
Our first phrase is very useful.
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
Excuse me, how do I get to the station?
This is a polite way to ask for directions.
Let's say it again.
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
Good.
Here is the next phrase.
Go straight.
Go straight.
This means continue forward.
Go straight.
Next phrase.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Now another one.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Here is another useful phrase.
It's on your left.
It's on your left.
This means you can see it on the left side.
It's on your left.
And one more helpful phrase.
It's not far from here.
It's not far from here.
This means the place is close.
Listen one more time.
Excuse me, how do I get to the station?
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn right.
It's on your left.
It's not far from here.
You're doing great.
Let's keep going. Now, let's do our first shadowing round.
This time, please listen and repeat.
We will go slowly.
One short line at a time.
Take your time.
This is good practice.
First line.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Again.
Excuse me.
Good.
Next line.
How do I get to the station?
How do I get to the station?
Again.
How do I get to the station?
Very good.
Now the full question.
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
One more time.
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
Nice work.
Next phrase.
Go straight.
Go straight.
Again.
Go straight.
Good.
Next phrase.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Again.
Turn left.
Good job.
Next phrase.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Again.
Turn right.
Very nice.
Next phrase.
It's on your left.
It's on your left.
Again.
It's on your left.
Good.
Last phrase.
It's not far from here.
It's not far from here.
Again.
It's not far from here.
You're doing great.
Let's do that again soon. Now, let's listen to a real conversation.
Emma is in the city.
I want to go to the bookstore.
I am nearby, so I can help.
Listen carefully first.
Then you can repeat with us.
Excuse me. How do I get to the bookstore?
Go straight for 1 block.
Okay.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Yes, that's right.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far from here.
Okay.
After you turn left, keep walking.
Keep walking.
The bookstore is on your left.
It's on my left.
Yes, it's next to a small cafe.
Oh, I see.
It's very easy to find.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Now, let's hear it one more time.
This time, listen to the flow.
Excuse me. How do I get to the bookstore?
Go straight for 1 block, then turn left at the traffic light.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far from here. The bookstore is on your left, next to a small cafe.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Nice job.
Simple English works.
Stay with us.
We'll practice it together.
Now, let's break the conversation into small parts.
This will help you understand it more clearly.
First line.
Excuse me. How do I get to the bookstore?
This is a polite question.
You can change the place name.
Listen.
Excuse me. How do I get to the bank?
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
Excuse me. How do I get to the museum?
Very useful.
Next line.
Go straight for 1 block.
Go straight means continue forward.
1 block is a short distance in the city.
Now say it again.
Go straight for 1 block.
Good.
Next line.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left.
At the traffic light.
Put them together.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Very good.
Next question.
Is it far from here?
This is a very useful question too.
And the answer is simple.
It's not far from here.
Let's hear a few more examples.
It's on your left.
It's on your right.
It's next to the cafe.
It's near the station.
You are doing great.
Small phrases can help you a lot. Now, let's do another shadowing round.
This time, we will change the place name.
This helps you speak more flexibly.
Listen first, then repeat.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Excuse me. How do I get to the bank?
Excuse me. How do I get to the bank?
Good.
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
Very nice.
Excuse me. how do I get to the museum?
Excuse me. How do I get to the museum?
Great job.
Now let's practice the answers.
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
It's on your left.
It's on your left.
It's on your right.
It's on your right.
It's not far from here.
It's not far from here.
Now, let's make the directions a little longer.
Go straight and turn left.
Go straight and turn left.
Go straight and turn right.
Go straight and turn right.
Very good.
You're doing great.
Let's keep going, one step at a time.
Now, let's listen to a longer conversation.
This time, Emma wants to go to the museum,
I ask for directions.
and I explain them step by step.
Listen carefully.
Then repeat with us later.
Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Okay,
Then turn right at the corner.
turn right at the corner.
Yes, that's right.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far from here.
Okay,
After that, walk past the park.
walk past the park.
Then you will see the museum on your left.
On my left.
Yes, on your left.
So, first I go straight for 2 blocks.
Correct.
Then I turn right at the corner.
Exactly.
Then I walk past the park.
Yes,
And the museum is on my left.
that's right.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
Repeating the directions is very helpful,
It helps you check your understanding.
and it helps you feel more confident.
You're doing great.
Stay with us.
Now it is your turn to speak more.
We will practice together.
First, you ask the question.
Then we will give the answer.
After that, you can repeat the full exchange.
Take your time.
This is good practice. Say this.
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
Again.
Excuse me. How do I get to the station?
Now listen to the answer.
Go straight and turn left.
Repeat it.
Go straight and turn left.
Good.
Now another one.
Say this.
Excuse me. How do I get to the bank?
Again.
Excuse me. How do I get to the bank?
Listen to the answer.
Go straight and turn right.
Repeat it.
Go straight and turn right.
Very nice.
Now one more.
Say this.
Excuse me. How do I get to the museum?
Again.
Excuse me. How do I get to the museum?
Listen carefully.
It's on your left.
Repeat it.
It's on your left.
Great job.
You are building real speaking confidence.
Simple English is powerful.
Let's keep going together.
Now, let's review everything again.
First, we will do a slow replay.
Listen carefully to each line.
Then repeat with us.
Slow English helps you hear each word clearly.
Natural English helps you feel the rhythm.
Let's start slowly. Excuse me. How do I get to the bookstore?
Go straight for 1 block.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
It's not far from here.
The bookstore is on your left.
Great. Now let's do it again.
Excuse me. How do I get to the museum?
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Then turn right at the corner.
Walk past the park.
The museum is on your left.
Very good.
Now, let's hear the same style more naturally.
Listen to the flow.
Excuse me. How do I get to the bookstore?
Go straight for 1 block. Then turn left at the traffic light. It's on your left.
Excuse me. How do I get to the museum?
Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn right at the corner and walk past the park. It's on your left.
Nice work.
Repetition builds confidence.
Take your time.
You're doing great,
We're almost at the end of today's episode.
and you did a great job.
Today, you practiced a very useful real-life skill.
You practiced how to ask for directions in English.
You also practiced how to understand simple answers.
And that is something you can use in daily life.
Let's remember some of today's key phrases.
Excuse me, how do I get to the station?
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn right.
It's on your left.
It's not far from here. These are simple phrases.
But simple English is powerful.
You do not need perfect English to communicate clearly.
You only need a calm voice, clear words, and practice.
If you do this again tomorrow, it will feel even easier.
If you repeat these lines many times, they will stay with you.
And little by little, your confidence will grow.
One phrase at a time.
One conversation at a time.
One day at a time.
So the next time you are in a city,
Near a station.
in a shop,
Or on a trip.
remember this.
You can ask for help.
You can understand simple directions.
You can speak English.
Take your time.
Keep practicing.
Keep listening.
Keep repeating.
You're doing great.
And we're very happy you were here with us today.
Thank you for listening.
We'll practice again with you soon.
Until next time, take care.
And keep going.